5 Best Small Air Conditioning Appliances. Here is the product number 5. Remote Control 300 Aroma Humidifier. Aroma Humidifier. Input voltage 840 volts 50/60 Hz. Add voltage DC 24V 500 mA. Power: 10W. Aerosolized amount 35 ml/H. Ultrasonic frequency 2.4 MHz. Size: 133 x 133 100 mm. Volume. Here is the product number 4. USB Aroma Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. Cool Mist Humidifier. Brand name: Kbebos, RoHS, GS, UL, CB. Function: Aromatherapy. Classification: Humidification. Model number: KH41. Shape: cartoon. Mist outlet quantity 1. Humidity control: touch control. Humidification method: mist discharge. Power type: UL. Here is the product number 3. Essential oil for diffuse. The oil humidifier 6 kinds. Fire 6 kinds. Main ingredient: 10 ml/ bottle 6 bottles. Box durability period: 3 years. Production date: attached with package. How to use: suitable for heated aromatherapy diffuser or atomized aromatherapy diffuser. Added drops of essential oil into the pure water, then turn on the device. There you can enjoy the aromatherapy. Please clean the water. Here is the product number 2. 400 ml Diffuser Ultrasonic Air Humidifier. Air Humidifier. Light button press for light. Color changes automatically. Press second. Choose one of LED light color you like. Press third. Select dim or bring to color. Mist button press first. Continuous mist coming out press second. 1 hour timer press third. 3 hour timer press 4. 6 hour timer. Note: B. Here is the product number 1. 300 ml Oil Diffuser Aroma Lamp Aromatherapy. Aromatherapy. This diffuser adopts G that provides whisper smooth mist and pleasant aromas to create calm, relaxing environment, soften and moisten dry and chapped skin, and helps you breathe better in winter. Made of safe, health-friendly and fireproof ABS and PP materials, this aroma humidifier has GOTS and DTL certifications to ensure you premium quality and good health. Check the description below for the link. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.